came to TCU because when I came, I felt like a real family connection to the school, and everyone was super genuine and nice.
We are so lucky to call this great school home. In this room alone, you will find people with something unique, inspiring, and everlasting in their hearts. Every corner of campus holds people who will push you further, talk to you in those difficult moments, and help you achieve your wildest dreams.
You are the largest and the smartest class in the history of Texas Christian University. Remember that this is your community. This is what it is because of the passion and commitment of those who come before you. I encourage you to reach higher, dream bigger, and take it upon yourself to learn, explore, and push your limits. Good luck in the year ahead. I look forward to meeting each and every one of you on campus, and go Frogs!